On, guys? Hey, we got to talk about Jasmy. This is gonna be your Jasmy update this morning. It's about 4:30 in the morning, and Jasmy is looking good. And in today's video, I want to explain why I believe that is. All right, guys. All I ask is that you drop a like, subscribe to the channel, of course, and that's it. Grab your coffee if you haven't had any. Hope you're enjoying your day. We got Thanksgiving tomorrow, so hopefully you all have a great Thanksgiving, whatever you plan on doing. By the way, leave a comment. Let me know what is the best Thanksgiving food that you've ever had. Because you got the basic like turkey, mashed potatoes, mac and cheese. But is there something out there that is just out of this world that you could share with everyone? Leave a comment. Let us know. Guys, Jasmy looks absolutely amazing right now. And the reason why is because of these white arrows right here. Now, this is a 4-hour time frame. I rarely speak on a 4-hour time frame. You guys know I usually look at the daily and the weekly for sure. I like to buy and hold, and that's how we've gained max profit, I believe, with multiple stocks in crypto over the last 12 months that I've shared with this channel and with Patreon members. But you can see right here, this started actually back on November 4th. We hit a low point. We got above the EMA, started trading higher, and we made a higher low. Very big deal, guys. Okay, so higher low. Then we got back above it. We're consolidating. Then we broke down again. But what is this time? This is a higher low to this one, which is also a higher low to this one. And then we did not break the EMA. We came back down. We made another higher low. Then what happened? We got above the EMA. We had this spike up of about 3 pennies, which is great. And then what happened? We made a higher low. So right now, Jasmy is entering an uptrend, which is a very good sign. The other thing you want to note, guys, and you can honestly turn the video off right now. I mean, this is enough information for you, but I'm going to share some more good stuff with you, is we have higher highs. Okay, so all these points are higher highs. So this is called an uptrend for Jasmy. And it's really good because it's a 4-hour time frame, and it's just building new legs of support. That's all this looks like. So again, like yesterday's video, I do believe Jasmy will go much higher. I have certain price targets where I'll be taking profit. Of course, the Discord's on fire. I mean, we're all locked in. People are making a ton of money, and it's absolutely insane. I'm getting a ton of messages. People are making 10 grand in a week. Some people are making multiple 6-7 figures, which is pretty amazing. And it's from things that we teach and things that we've learned. And we talk a lot about different cryptos and stocks. It's not just about Jasmy. And by the way, guys, if you do want to join, or if you've been thinking about joining, these are my most cost-effective tiers, I would say. The stocks, learn the charts, and access to Discord. If you pay for the whole year, you get 12% off of $10. And right now, if you click the link, when it pops up, they'll say you can get an additional 25% off. This is my Black Friday sale. It's going to end Saturday or Friday night. I'm not sure, but you're getting 12% off the annual fee of $120 plus another 25% off, and you get access for the whole year. So it's an absolute steal. It won't last, and we're getting people to join every single day. It's been a blast, and we're all winning. So looking at Jasmy now, this is where we're at, right? It's pretty simple. What you want to be looking for, let's look at the daily real quick. So the daily also, this is kind of sloppy now. Let me erase this for you all. And let's make this full screen. So the daily also is making higher lows and higher highs. So Jasmy is building steam, okay? We don't want it just to go straight up. When crypto and stocks go straight up, it goes straight down. So I actually prefer this, and I entered more into my Jasmy position yesterday. I shared that video with you guys and gave you my reasons why. But right now I do like this above the EMA, okay? Let's see if I do something real quick, because this is just one EMA, but if we put on all the EMAs, we can get a better, okay, so we're trading above all the EMAs on a daily time frame. So this is a very good sign. Okay, you know what happens when this happens, right? We trade above it, and then it goes kind of parabolic in a way. So again, just like this, if you go back in the day, back to May 2024, made a higher low, and we started making higher highs, right? And it was kind of like a little uptrend. and we were trading above all the EMAs. Well, right now we're doing the same thing. We have higher lows, higher highs. We're trading above all the EMAs. So you tell me what you think is next for Jasmy. Okay. But one more thing that I will share as we end today's video is if we pull up a weekly, I do want to show you guys something. Hopefully this is not a head and shoulders pattern. That would be very frustrating. I don't think it is because, again, if you see this right here, we're trading above all the EMAs. We're back testing every single EMA right now. And we've done that before, and then we go on a massive rally, okay? So we could really be like right here. This is kind of what it's looking like the stochastic is in the same place. Blue line is crossing over the red. So we might consolidate a little more for the next several weeks, or we may just move up very soon. But at the end of the day, I do believe Jasmy is going to go much higher than where we're at today. And if you kind of want to look at, well, where could we potentially go? You could pull up a Fibonacci, bring it from the most recent high to the low, and you can see right now, let me make this bigger. So see how we ran up and we tested the 50 exactly, like we literally hit this point and then we rejected, okay? So it's just short-term pain. The next area I would think we would move to is about 3.3, 3.4. This would be the 618 level. And if we could break this with a candle, this would be a very good sign that Jasmy wants to move much higher. Now, ultimately, I think this will happen. I think we'll break that. And then we can start to use Fibonacci to understand, well, where is it heading next? So my next target would be anywhere from the 1.618 level to the 2.618 level, which ranges from about 6 cents, 6.2 to about 9.2. Okay, a full Fibonacci retracement would get us to about 13 cents, which we've talked a lot about. Okay, you could also start to use these wicks as points of resistance. So I think a lot of people think we're going to go way up here, 34, 35 cents. I see it in my comments. The reason that is basically you believe that we're going to retest this high, right? And this will be resistance. Basically, all these wicks will be resistance. So another good spot would be right here, right? We'll probably get to 4.9, about 5 pennies, and we might see some short-term resistance because we would have resistance here. We would have resistance here. Okay. But at the end of the day, with how it looks right now, we are in an uptrend for Jasmy. Even though this has been annoying, you have to zoom out and look at the big picture. We are in an uptrend. I can even draw some trend lines on here for you and show you. So this is an uptrend. And then if we grab this one, so Jasmy is trading in a nice channel in a way. Okay, we can do this all day, guys, right? And if you guys have any requests of any stocks or crypto, you can join my Patreon, join the wealth tier. It's the second to last one, and I'll break down one stock and one crypto for you every single month. Okay, but with Jasmy right now, this is what I would expect is we're in an uptrend. We're gonna move much higher soon. Now, let's say by December, if this really plays out and it really builds some steam, which I really believe it's going to happen. Again, this is not financial advice. It's just my own opinion. We've been in Jasmy since 0.005, 0.006, right over here is when we entered even heavier. I actually took a loan from my life insurance policy and I put it into Jasmy and Dogecoin back here, back in January. I remember I got the check, took a loan. It took like 2 days. Put it into crypto, and then this happened the next several months, right? And Dogecoin went on a massive tear as well. But pretty amazing, the things that you can do when you understand money and how it works. So right now, this will continue to go higher, I believe, and I think we'll land somewhere up here, about the 9 to potentially 13 cent range. Really depends how much volume this thing gets. But ultimately, guys, short video, just want to give you an update on Jasmy. This is where I stand. I think it looks very good right now. But leave your comment down below. Let me know your opinion. With that, I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you later this afternoon.